Hello, manufacturing. This is piece of harvester. These broken out pieces I catch on by welding points, and I make a paper sample like this one, and I draw with a steel piece, something like that. And now I will make a bore into this steel plate by vertical milling machine and rotary table. And now I want to show how I make it. So little bit cool one. Steel plate is not very thick, it's only 10mm thick. And this is the way how to get a large bore into the material or another piece by using a end mill and then rotary table. By this action I use a standard cutting tool, and I run it at 560 RPM, and the hand, so I have no idea how it is how much is it in millimeters per minute.